Welcome to our journey around the globe to discover the most breathtaking views the world has to offer. From colossal canyons carved over millennia to the vibrant tapestry of life beneath the waves, our planet offers a spectacle of unparalleled beauty. Get ready to be amazed by nature's wonders, from the towering peaks that pierce the heavens to the ethereal dance of light in the night sky. Each location holds a story, a testament to the power and artistry of the natural world. Join me, Jake Loop, as we embark on this visual adventure exploring 5 remarkable destinations that will leave you breathless and ignite your wanderlust. The Grand Canyon. A vast chasm stretching over 270 miles long and plunging over a mile deep. This monumental rift in the Earth's surface, carved by the relentless Colorado River over eons, reveals layers of rock that date back nearly 2 billion years. Gazing out over the canyon's banded walls, painted in hues of ochre, crimson and violet, is to witness the passage of geologic time itself. Condors with their vast wingspans circle effortlessly on updrafts, dwarfed by the immensity of their surroundings. The Grand Canyon is not merely a hole in the ground, it is a testament to the enduring power of nature, a place that evokes awe and humility in equal measure. We plunge now beneath the surface into the turquoise embrace of the Coral Sea, home to the largest living structure on Earth, the Great Barrier Reef. This intricate network of coral reefs, stretching over 1,400 miles, teems with a kaleidoscope of marine life. Schools of brightly colored fish dart among the coral, while graceful manta rays glide effortlessly through the water. Sea turtles, ancient mariners, navigate this underwater metropolis, their shells encrusted with the evidence of their long journeys. The Great Barrier Reef is a fragile paradise, threatened by climate change and pollution. It stands as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the urgent need to protect our planet's most precious ecosystems. Chapter 3, Mount Everest, Touching the Sky. Our journey now takes us to the roof of the world, the Himalayas, where Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, pierces the sky. Standing at a staggering 29,029 feet, Everest is the ultimate test of human endurance. For those who dare to climb its slopes, the air thins, the temperatures plummet, and the mountain throws every challenge imaginable in their path. Yet, the allure of the summit, that final push to stand on top of the world, continues to draw adventurers from across the globe. More than just a mountain, Everest is a symbol of human ambition, resilience, and our unyielding desire to conquer the seemingly impossible. Chapter 4. Aurora Borealis, the sky ablaze. Our quest for breathtaking views now leads us northward, to the high latitudes of Norway, where the night sky comes alive with a celestial ballet of light, the Aurora Borealis. This ethereal display, also known as the Northern Lights, occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with the Earth's atmosphere. Ribbons of green, pink and violet dance across the sky, shimmering and shifting in a mesmerizing spectacle. The best time to witness this natural wonder is during the winter months, when the nights are long and the skies are clear. Standing beneath this celestial tapestry, one feels a profound connection to the cosmos, a sense of wonder that transcends words. Chapter 5. Santorini, where the sun kisses the Aegean. Our final destination takes us to the sun-drenched islands of Greece and to Santorini, a volcanic caldera that embodies the very essence of Aegean beauty. Whitewashed villages cling to the cliffs, overlooking the deep blue waters of the caldera, a testament to the island's ancient past and enduring charm. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of fiery hues, casting a warm glow over the iconic architecture and the shimmering sea. Santorini's sunsets are legendary, drawing visitors from far and wide to witness this daily spectacle of nature's artistry. It is a place of romance, history and unparalleled beauty. A fitting end to our journey to discover some of the most breathtaking views our planet has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to some of the most awe-inspiring destinations on Earth. From the depths of the Grand Canyon to the heights of Mount Everest, we've witnessed the power and beauty of our planet in all its glory. But our exploration doesn't end here. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content as we continue to delve into the beauty and wonder of our planet. See you next time.